Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's Mr. Wheelspin here. So here we have our second vlog. This was posted about a month ago. So you'll notice that I have my beard and now I don't, and I also have the same shirt and I washed it, don't worry. But yeah, I just want to say that I might sound a little bit more awkward in this one because this was technically my first vlog that I've ever recorded on my own into it because I was practicing, but you know, I want to upload it just cuz. But anyways, hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll see you guys at the end. Peace. Over it. What? On this? Wait, oh, actually, park right in front of me. In front, yeah. Nice. Alright, I guess, what do you got in your trunk?
Baby lotion.
Alright, let's put the tires in there.
You want to put two in here?
Possibly. I think
I'm sure you can fit two in here at least.
I could fit the 245s in here. The 275s have to go in my truck.
I don't trust you. I just drive off.
No, yeah, no, they're not gonna fit.
They will fit.
Oh.
I mean, maybe. Nah, I don't think so. Maybe like 3 max. Nah, maybe 2. There's fireworks back there.
2's your max.
That's the max.
Alright.
That's the max. I mean, honestly, I don't think it. Those are huge tires.
Alright, what the fuck do I got? A lot of shit in the trunk. Alright.
Go long, bro.
Come on. Ah, fuck. I was gonna. Alright, fuck it. Let's get this started then. Yeah, let's just bring them out. I'll put the tires in the passenger side.
That one down there. We'll put it back. Actually.
Yeah, all the way back. Alright, I'll be back. I'm gonna go get them.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so we just got
The new tires in. 275s and 245s. Come on, you can help me take them in. Alright, these are 275s. Hey, I got your phone, by the way. I'm gonna go change then. Oh, what the fuck? Nice. Yeah, I told you, like, they're too big for that type of stuff. You'd have to remove like the back seats.
I mean, they're brand new, so they can probably fit in my car too. There's a shop by Mission Garage we can go to. Okay.
Alright, we're gonna go look for a shop to put the tires in. Need to see where exactly we're gonna go because we don't know where, so yeah. Don't mind my car, it's hella dirty right now. Keys. Alright, let me go get the keys really quick. What's up?
Do you want to go pick up Javier then?
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright.
Let me just get my keys real quick. Alright guys, we're just gonna go run to get the keys. Alright, oh, they're right here, cool. So the plan for today is, we just got the tires for my C63. So right now we're just gonna look for a place where we could just find someone to install them without having to rip me off. Dude, so I got my tires. They're half hour in the back, half hour in Saul's car. We couldn't just all fit them all in one car because I had too much shit. If you look, he has them in the back of his car, and then I have some on the back of my car. You look through here?
Where? Oh, dude, those look nice. They're like brand new.
Yeah, they're pretty fat. And then look, he has them too. What?
That looks good.
Yeah, to the tire shop.
I said, are we vlogging a bit right here?
We're leaving right
No,
now.
we should get.
What's
So
up?
make them look like brand new, brand new. Ever seen McGuire's like tire thing?
Tire shine?
Yeah, like it's just a spray,
Mhm.
and then 30 seconds later you wash it off.
I gotta buy tire shine anyways. Alright, so we're at the tire shop right now. We're gonna get these babies installed. I can't wait. Fucking thick boys, man. Make some space for this guy.
Show them your tires right now.
This is how bad my tires are right now. No tread, no nothing. And plus, the front tire over there is a lot worse actually. You can actually see that the tread is actually ripping apart. Let me see if the camera can see it. Look at that. Tread's ripping.
Gotta do some donuts to warm them up.
Yeah, man. Get these out, put those back in. I mean, not put them back in, just put them in. Guys, guys, I cannot wait for my new tires. They're just sitting over there next to Javier, and I got the two over here and back. Got these big boys. Got one. Yeah, the smaller ones are the fronts.
1 hour later.
Finally got the wheels installed. Alright bro, let's get the fuck out of here. My mechanic was kind of scared to work on my car because he smelled the burning fuel because he knew I didn't have cats. He was like, oh shit, I'm not working on this guy's car. I see him. Alright, take it easy, bro.
Wait, to your house?
Yeah, we're going to my house right now. Look who it is. What's up, dude?
Oh, dude, there's
What's-
a G37
what's up?
35 right there.
How you been, bro?
I'm chilling, how are you?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Dude, gotta hit the fucking corner store and get a little, I forget what these are called.
Are they good? I never tried them.
Yeah, they're like $2 at the fucking corner store.
But you know what? What? Yeah, just park right here in the front.
Yeah.
I got the new tires then, bro. The car actually feels a lot different now. So while we go get the compressor out of the Pontiac. Compressor's just here. You guys ready?
Yeah, they're ready.
Come on, let's go to the gas station. Let's go, come on. Let me hear that one more time, come on. My neighbor, let's get the fuck out of here. Let's get the fuck out of here. My neighbors hate me. Yeah, I'm leading. Alright guys, we're on our way to San Ronnie, but first we are going to get some gas, so should be a trip. Why does it say that my tire's flat? Huh, interesting. Let's hope that's not an issue. Oh, I thought he was going to hit me. Alright, cool. My neighbors hate me so much, dude. It's so fucking crazy. Everyone's just revving out. My wheel says it's on 39. So what we have here right now is we have the DJI drone. So this is what it looks like, and I'm using my friend's car as a way to kind of start my cinematography hobby. So yeah, I'm gonna show you a video clip right here. That's so cool. While everyone is waiting over there, I'm just gonna do my thing. What the fuck?
He thinks he's sexy, that's all.
He thinks he's sexy?
Yeah, this girl slid in his DM asking for a ride in a Mustang.
Hella shit.
There was only one
Position
small
my
one.
ego.
Dude, I
I smell.
Dude, just smell
envy.
Yeah, bro, just rev it.
This is hella sick.
I'm glad you like it, man. It's fucking loud.
1 hour later.
Yeah, man. Hope you don't mind having the camera around. It's just, yeah, YouTube channel. I got a pretty good lineup here. 2 CC3s, 2 Mustangs, and the Lexus. And the Lexus. Hey, it has the 5.0 engine, so it sounds like the Mustang,
It has
but in
4.3.
a bougie body.
Y'all 4S's, huh?
Yeah, these are Pilot Super Sports, and then the backs are PS4s. Dude, you can see how wide the back tires are.
They're pretty wide, man.
They're pretty fucking wide.
What size?
275s.
Woo! Wider than mine.
Oh, you got 265s in the back? Jesus. Actually, now that I see the comparison, look at this. Yeah, dude, you can see that's pretty cool. I paid $1,200 for these.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
It's gonna hurt your pockets when it comes to shit like that.
Hey man, I had to do it though. Like, it's either this or my tires pop on the freeway one day. Because that one's fucked. Oh shit! Is that a Supra?
Nah, that's a C4.
Right now, everyone's just kind of getting started. Nice. Alright, we out. That sound. Nice. I'm smelling it now. It smells so good. Right now we are in Foster City. One of our Mustang guys came here. Dude, I like the lineup. Well, all our parking spots are shit. What the fuck?
Dude, I'm so mad I didn't see y'all.
Yeah, man. Dude, I love those tires. Feel the difference. I actually got like a lot more satisfied driving my car. I couldn't do that. I couldn't do the drift. Those things are too grippy, but like when we were kind of going down that very sharp corner on the freeway, it was super easy. I thought I spent a 1,000, but then I checked the thing and it's 1,200. With 1,000.
Where'd you get them from?
I got them from Tire Rack. Fuck, bro, I forgot my mask. I'm gonna go get it real quick. Shit, I forgot my mask. Ooh. The lineup is looking incredible though. Oh my god, it's over there. There's my mask. All right. It's a beautiful lineup. Hey guys, welcome back. If you made it this far, I want to say thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like and subscribe. I just want to point out that, yeah, so I had to cut the vlog short because after we were eating the restaurant, the quality of the video wasn't that good. And at the time, I was still learning on how to use camera settings, but I'm better at it now, so that's a plus. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to have the third vlog up pretty soon, so that's all I got to say. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace.